journey-level sheet metal worker can easily make 6 figures a year.
I'm financially secure. I am able to pay down credit card debt. I paid off my truck. My partner and I, we bought a house, and I haven't even graduated yet.
I was living paycheck to paycheck when I was at the grocery store, and 2 years after I moved to Portland, I've already bought a house for my family. I'm making a lot more money than what I was making out there. I have health insurance.
In my first year in the apprenticeship, I started out making more than I had in the dental industry.
When I met him, he had nothing. And now we drive, I have a beautiful car, like we just bought this house, we have this amazing life together.
When they're done with their 5-year apprenticeship and they journey out, they have 0 debt and they have a skill that they will have for life.
You don't have to cover cost of tuition or tools or materials. Everything is provided. You can come in completely inexperienced because they're teaching you from the beginning how to do this job and make a career out of it.
When I was in school, they never told you about trades. A lot of kids my age are going thousands of dollars in debt while I'm making thousands and learning.
You don't have to have money saved up or anything like that. You earn as you go, and there's no real out-of-pocket expenses.
If it started out as flat metal, it's work that we do. We cut it, bend it, form it, weld it, drill it. The cool thing is we are really the only craft that fabricates what we install. So there's more hours available. There's more jobs out there.
It's so satisfying to not only work with your hands, but have to use your brain at the same time.
If you want to be in the shop, you can be in the shop. If you want to be in the field getting your hands a little bit dirtier, you can be in the field as well. And if you like the computer work, if you like designing things, you can do that as well.
There's something new to explore every day.
They've kind of found a sense of community here. Everyone in their classes, they're with the same group, more or less the entire apprenticeship. So every time they come to class, they're with the same people, and those bonds are so strong.
This is a non-traditional role, and I grew up in a very masculine-dominated culture. You realize that it's not so scary, and working with men is just, you know, it's like working with your dad or your brother or your cousin or your best friend.
You have a career path mapped out for you, so you don't have to stress about trying to figure out what the next thing always is going to be.
I'm really excited about my future.
The possibilities are endless in our trade. We need skilled people as bad as people need good paying jobs.
Your journey to a meaningful and high-paying career starts here.